Okay, this is the inferno armor glitch or whatever that armor is called. Um, it's a glitch in which you can gain the inferno armor easier. Well, early. First you hit the inferno armor box, and while you're in inferno mode, you pause the game, go to special, go to skins, hit current armor, and then you continue playing. As you can see, the inferno armor is still staying, though the flaming wrench thing wears out. The inferno armor stays, as you can see, and that's how the inferno armor glitch works.